The National Works Agency is again warning citizens to avoid using the Gordon Town Road in St. Andrew. Despite the road being closed due to a major breakaway, residents continue to brave the journey, even though it's risky. Risking it all. Bikes, trolleys, policemen, and even the elderly are braving the walk across the broken roadway in Gordon Town. This has been their reality since the section of the roadway collapsed last month.
It's rough one way because we bus fare them fare double up because we have to pay one come there and then another one from here to Papine.
Oh, I have it hard, man. We can't manage it.
The people continue to complain that the alternative route through Irish Town is too long. That journey takes you through Newcastle, Silver Gap, and Guava Hill.
If leave where me leave to go to Papine, me can't afford. I don't know where me I go. You understand? So they told half hour something not go work. It is not. It don't make no sense. So I rather risk it right here, sir, and come cross.
I'd rather risk it than take the long route. Cost me less.
Difficult for some, but others have used this situation as a means of making money.
200 I charge them, you know. Some of them give me 200, sometimes I charge them 5, then can't go to it. And go up to the ground, then go up to the ground, then them bar for the ground. So they can't take the pressure of the thing them where they go on with, you know. So I charge them amount of money I can charge them.
Let's take a look at 2 bills from them.
So what if them have load like that?
Yeah, man. We have load like that. Don't take a 3 bills, that's it.
The National Works Agency is again appealing to the residents to desist from using the treacherous route.
It is Silver Hill Gap. That's the road from Guava Ridge. It's long, admittedly, but that's the route that we have actually indicated to them that they should use until we are able to put Savage Pen in a reasonable shape for it to be used.
Mr. Shaw also provided an update on plans to fix the alternative route.
And we're hoping that we'd have been in a position to make a significant amount of progress by this time. But we are being hampered somewhat by the fact that we have to be doing what is referred to as double handling. While we have equipment like trucks and other pieces of equipment that are used in the construction of roads, the steepness of that particular corridor comes with some serious challenges that we have to manage those.